All right, everybody. I think that we're going to continue our stream right now. I think my wife is doing a fantastic job. The baby just went to sleep and she's making dinner. And give me a second. And let me see. So where we were configuring. Okay, configure. Okay, right click. We're gonna right click, close to the right, and we're gonna say R2 Wrangler. Configure R2 Wrangler. Let me see R2. Cloudflare R2. Buckets API R2 examples overview using auth tokens. R clone Terraform use the cache API. So okay, R2 multi-cloud. I think I can just go here and ask it. No, I don't have it like signed in. Let me see cloud.ai. Okay, here it is. And how can I configure an existing R2 bucket from Cloudflare? How can I configure an existing R2? How can I configure an existing R2 Cloudflare bucket into my existing Cloudflare workers application? Taking longer than usual. What I really like is that my Cloudflare actually gets better. I mean, whisper flow may improve, okay? Finding your system bucket name, binding my bucket. Bucket name is your actual R2 bucket's name. Oh, so is that it? Is that it? And for my bucket get, is that it? Okay, so let's go to VS Code and we're gonna use this one. Alexa, stop. Get object key. So path name matches API subtitles. Subtitles match. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. The thing is that the Wrangler JSON 2C Subarashi subs. The question that I have. Perfect, the file exists. Now let me test. Yes. Okay, where did I actually look for it? Vibing. Dee doo dee doo dee doo dee doo dee doo dee doo. Common operations. I still need to learn how to use this, like between production and on run deploy. It will automatically fetch the title from R2 bucket add dash. New endpoint. How can I test this locally? How can I upload it to the local R2 bucket? Well, I think that we should follow like the best programming practices and have the production backend uploaded. R2, yes. So wait, how did it do it? I said yes to the command, but I didn't see it. Object. Okay, run start. And wait for the server to start. Deliberating out 0. Okay, curl. Dispatch command. Yes, and then ask again. Kill the server. Oh, really? This is awesome. So I'm going to copy this command. I want to test it myself. So upload a single file. Extension local. Okay. Local. Then we add all of this commands to the readme. Okay, and bun def. All right, now we're gonna curl. Nope, we're gonna curl this. It actually worked. Damn, this is awesome. Okay, so let's deploy now to production. I need to deploy to production, so I'm going to package.json, deploy, Subarashi deploy, and I'm just gonna add it here. Deploy prot. Deploy environment equals production. I'm gonna say bun deploy prot. Okay, it failed because deploy worker to Cloudflare script. Oh, it was env. Okay. Subarashi. Okay, it's the blah but not and this is not where your problem went. Since R2 buckets are not inherited by environments, bleed out R2 buckets to end without production. Let's do this. Production, and I'm gonna copy this 5K, and I'm gonna come here to the 17th line, R2 buckets, database. Okay, I'm gonna come back in here, bun deploy prot, and I also need to run the SQL command, which should be in here. And package.json. No, package.json, the backend devdb. db prot. Say here around word. Say env equals production. gonna start like this, and I'm gonna rename this dbdev. I'm gonna clear. I'm gonna say bond dbprod to see if this works. It did work. So now that we have, I think that if I enter into Cloudflare, come here to the accounts, I'm gonna come here to the D1 SQL database. It should be around here. Romaji DB, sweet. And I also should see the workers, right? Workers, compute workers, and I should probably have, there we go, the production worker. So in here, I should probably come in back, and let me see, API, beverages. No, it's not gonna work. Actually, it's not gonna work. Subtitles, the series ID. By the way, let me go to D1, search database. So Romaji DB is the only database that we have. And we're gonna go console, select from series. Crap. I thought it worked. Or did I did. It should be in here. If you want to access the remote instance. So should I in production file source and remote true. I'm gonna say, let me see if this actually works. Bond DB prod. 2 commands executed to remote instance. On local did. Oh, execute on. Oh, okay. Remote. So I should come in here. Remote. And we'll just serve queries. You want to proceed? Yeah. So it actually creates a hash for the file. Uploading complete. Rows read. Rows written. Okay. I think this one should have worked. Select from series. Hey, it actually worked. Awesome. So this is what I need to do. I know about migrations, but let's schema.sql. I'm gonna write seed SQL. So insert into series values, and it's going to be the series ID, which is the Naruto Shippuden series. I'm gonna come here to R2, the object storage. Let me see if it actually works. The Romaji subs. So we're gonna come in here, and the name Naruto Shippuden now, and we're gonna insert chapters. Insert into chapters values, the chapter ID, the series ID, and the chapter ID is the .ass file we got over here. I'm gonna copy link. Oh, right. Okay, we got our first migration. And edit migration. And add 01.001.sql. I'm gonna say alter table chapters. Add column chapter number, it's going to be an integer. Help me finalize this SQL query. Use a number type that does not exceed the 4 digits. 5 digits. I think it's just gonna use like an int. I'm just saying the advantage of using something like Drizzle just to manage the migrations and have all of my stuff like really set up. But it's okay. We're just gonna have something very minimal because we want to have the entire backend like running it through and see how it actually goes. Let's see. Alter table chapters, add column chapters number, small int. You know what? I just realized that I didn't add this. Yeah, if I discard this, it should have been in built-in public. I'm gonna copy small int unsigned. Oh, that's a lot. So small int unsigned, add column chapter number, which, to be honest, sometimes I think it's less expensive. No. To represent it as a string, but actually no. So we're gonna have our first migration 001 SQL. I'm gonna chapter number. That's it. That's what I'm saying. The only problem is that I don't have like a source of truth for the entire schema. This is where I actually get into the now. Well, since I'm making like a lot of development right now. No, I don't want to do like a drop table. I should configure like Drizzle and just run all the migrations and everything directly to it. Well, whatever. Into chapters series, it's going to be, let me say, reference.sql. This is going to be a file that has the source of truth of all the updated tables design. Well, since I'm starting out, I'm just gonna say drop table series if exists. And I'm gonna say drop table series chapters, and I'm gonna add it here. Subtitle location, and I'm also gonna say gonna add it chapter number, unsigned primary key. Okay, I think this is good. So I'm gonna run it. Bond db prot. And si la quieres aquí, pon aquí y yo te pongo.
Hay que empezar, o sea, ya está la.
Ya, voy para allá.